can't hear me. He's got his iPod on his head. Oh boy. See, this is what happens when you talk for too long and then it decides to rain. The minute it started sprinkling, he said that he would get the front done. I don't think he expected it to start raining so hard. I tried yelling at him. He was going to get the engine all gummed up from the grass, but he wouldn't listen. He waved me off. So... oh boy. Alright, well I guess that's enough. He's soaked. He's soaked. And on to the other side. Oh boy. Well, I, for one, am not moving off this porch. Oh boy. I have to get Evan.
Honey, I'm home.
Hi, Grip.
Having fun, Allison.
Yes. I'm having loads of fun.
Well, I'm glad. Because I was too.
Were you?
Yes.
Well, that's good.
Well, excuse me.
While you go get dried off. Oh my gosh.
You're soaked. Any last words?
Water is fun.
Oh boy.